let's talk sleep. Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. We always focus on workouts and nutrition, but today we're diving into the missing piece: sleep. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's essential prep time for your body to recover, burn fat, and get stronger. We'll break down the science simply, so you'll see why sleep is as crucial as exercise and nutrition. Plus, I'll share practical tips to help you sleep better and boost your results. Ready? Let's get started. Chapter 1. Sleep is when recovery happens. Gap 2S. Alright, let's dive straight into a crucial aspect of fitness that often gets overlooked. After pushing your body through a tough workout, you've broken down muscle tissue. Now your muscles need to repair and rebuild themselves to come back stronger. And guess what? That crucial repair process primarily happens while you sleep. It's not just about rest, it's about active recovery. During the restorative phases of deep sleep, your body goes into overdrive, working hard to facilitate recovery. One of the key players in this process is human growth hormone, or HGH. This powerful hormone is released in significant amounts during deep sleep, and it plays a vital role in rebuilding and strengthening those muscle fibers you worked so hard to challenge. HGH facilitates protein synthesis, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. But what happens when you consistently skimp on sleep? Without enough sleep, this vital repair process is incomplete and compromised. Your body simply doesn't have the time it needs to fully recover. This incomplete recovery leaves you feeling sore, fatigued, and significantly slowing down your progress towards your fitness goals. You're essentially hindering your body's ability to adapt and grow stronger. Think of sleep as your body's dedicated construction crew, working tirelessly to rebuild and reinforce your muscles. If they don't get enough time on the job site, the construction is left unfinished, and the structure remains weak. Pushing yourself through intense training sessions without prioritizing proper rest and recovery significantly increases your risk of injury and ultimately stalls your hard-earned gains. You're pushing your body to its limits without giving it the resources it needs to adapt and become more resilient. True and sustainable progress in fitness isn't just about the workouts, it's about creating a holistic cycle. Train intensely, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and prioritize recovery with consistent quality sleep. This is where the magic truly happens. Skipping sleep is like meticulously preparing a cake batter, putting it in the oven, and then pulling it out half-baked. You've put in the effort, but you're not getting the full reward. Therefore, prioritize sleep as a non-negotiable part of your fitness routine to maximize the benefits of your hard work in the gym and unlock your full potential. Ultimately, your results, your strength, and your overall well-being depend on it. Make sleep a priority and watch your progress soar. Chapter 2. Poor sleep slows fat burning. Now let's dive into the crucial connection between sleep and fat burning, and how getting adequate rest can significantly impact your journey to a leaner physique. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested and rejuvenated, it's a fundamental pillar for effective fat loss. Think of it as the unsung hero in your weight management strategy. Lack of sufficient sleep profoundly disrupts your metabolism, essentially slowing down your body's engine and causing it to burn fewer calories throughout the day. This metabolic slowdown can hinder your progress, even with a diligent diet and exercise routine. Insufficient sleep also throws your hunger hormones into disarray. It leads to an increase in ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, making you feel like you constantly need to eat. Simultaneously, sleep deprivation decreases leptin, the hormone responsible for signaling fullness and satiety, leaving you feeling less satisfied after meals. This hormonal imbalance creates a perfect storm, leading to increased cravings, particularly for unhealthy foods, and a higher likelihood of overeating. When you're consistently tired, your body instinctively craves high-calorie, energy-dense foods as a quick fix, further derailing your fat loss efforts. This makes it significantly harder to make healthy food choices, as your willpower is weakened, and your brain is wired to seek out immediate gratification through sugary and fatty treats. Furthermore, poor sleep reduces insulin sensitivity, which is your body's ability to effectively use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. This decreased insulin sensitivity encourages your body to store excess energy as fat, especially in the abdominal area, contributing to stubborn belly fat. Even if you maintain a perfect nutrition plan and diligently track your calories, chronic sleep deprivation can sabotage your fat loss goals and hinder your progress. It's not simply a matter of willpower or discipline, It's deeply rooted in your body's complex biological processes and hormonal regulation. Therefore, prioritize consistent, quality sleep to keep your metabolism humming, your appetite in check, and your fat-burning potential optimized. Sleep well, and you'll burn fat better and more efficiently. Chapter 3. The stress fat link. Let's dig a bit deeper into the hormonal side of things and talk about a big one. Cortisol. Poor sleep raises cortisol, your body's stress hormone. High cortisol tells your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. It also increases cravings for sugary, fatty foods and can break down muscle. Chronic stress and lack of sleep create a cycle of fat gain and muscle loss. Quality sleep helps lower cortisol, allowing your body to recover and burn fat. If you're stressed and stuck, check your sleep first. Sleep is your reset button. Chapter 4. How much sleep do you really need? So we've established that sleep is incredibly important. Most adults need 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night, especially if you're training hard. It's not just about time in bed, but deep, uninterrupted sleep. Less than 7 hours puts you in sleep debt, leading to poor recovery and stalled progress. You can't fully catch up on lost sleep over the weekend. Consistency matters. Treat sleep like a workout, schedule it and stick to it. Count back 8 hours from your wake-up time for your new bedtime. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine. Chapter 5. My top tips for better sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is often touted as the golden standard for optimal health and well-being. It can sound simple, almost deceptively so, when you consider the complexities of our daily lives. But in our busy, modern world, filled with constant stimulation and endless to-do lists, achieving that ideal sleep duration can be a real challenge. The pressures of work, social commitments, and the ever-present glow of screens often conspire against us, making restful nights feel like a distant dream. One of the most effective strategies for improving sleep quality is to create a relaxing bedtime routine. A consistent set of activities that signal to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading a physical book, engaging in gentle stretching exercises to release tension, or listening to calming music or a soothing podcast. The key is to choose activities that you find enjoyable and that help you to mentally detach from the stresses of the day. Make your bedroom a sanctuary conducive to sleep. This means ensuring it's cool, dark, and quiet. These environmental factors play a crucial role in regulating your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. If external light or noise is a problem, invest in blackout curtains and earplugs if needed. These simple tools can make a world of difference in creating an environment that promotes deep, restful sleep. One of the most important steps you can take is to avoid screens an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can significantly interfere with your sleep. This is because blue light disrupts the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and delays the onset of sleepiness. To combat this, set a digital curfew for yourself each evening and keep your phone out of reach, ideally in another room. Pay attention to your dietary choices in the evening. What you eat and drink can have a significant impact on your sleep quality. It's best to avoid heavy meals that can cause indigestion, as well as caffeine and alcohol, which can disrupt your sleep cycle close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a soothing herbal tea like chamomile to wind down and prepare your body for sleep. Reinforce the association between your bed and sleep by using your bed only for sleep and intimacy. Remember that even small changes to your habits and environment can add up to better sleep and, ultimately, better results in all areas of your life. So, start implementing these tips tonight and feel the difference a good night's sleep can make. So, there we have it. Sleep is the secret ingredient for muscle repair, hormone balance, and fat burning. Without it, your training and nutrition can't deliver full results. Treat sleep as the third pillar of fitness. Train, eat, and rest with intention. Prioritize sleep like you do your workouts. Make your bedroom a haven and stick to a routine. Better sleep means better health, more energy, and faster progress. Thanks for watching. Remember to train hard, eat well, and sleep harder. See you in the next video.